perfect for beginners.
My name is Linda.
And my name is Mark.
Hello, Mark. How are you today?
Hello, Linda. I am good. Thank you. And you?
I am very well, thank you.
The weather is nice today.
Yes, it is. It makes me feel happy.
Linda, what are you doing today?
Today, I want to cook at home.
That sounds nice. What do you want to cook?
I want to cook a simple meal.
I like simple meals. They are easy and comfortable.
Yes, I agree.
Do you have food at home?
No, not much.
Then, you need to go shopping.
Yes, I do. I need to go to the market.
Or the supermarket.
Yes, the supermarket is close to my house.
What do you need to buy?
I need vegetables and some meat.
What vegetables do you want?
I want tomatoes, onions, and carrots.
Those are good vegetables.
Yes, they are fresh and healthy.
Do you want to buy fruit, too?
Yes, I want to buy apples and bananas.
Fruit is good for you. Do you have a shopping list?
Yes, I do. I always make a shopping list.
That is very smart.
It helps me remember what to buy.
And it helps you save money.
Yes, that is true.
When are you going shopping?
I will go this morning.
That is a good time. The supermarket is not very busy.
Do you want to come with me?
Yes, I would like to come.
Great. It is more fun to shop together.
Yes, and we can talk and practice English.
That is a very good idea. What should we bring?
We should bring shopping bags.
Yes, and some money.
Or a card.
Yes, I usually pay by card.
What will you cook when we get home?
I want to cook rice with vegetables and chicken.
That sounds delicious.
It is easy to make.
Easy food is perfect for beginners.
Yes, especially when you are busy.
I am a little hungry now.
Me too. Let us go shopping soon.
Yes, let us go.
Okay, put on your shoes.
I am ready.
We are at the supermarket now.
Yes, it is clean and bright.
There are many people today.
Yes, but it is not too crowded.
Let us get a shopping cart.
Okay, here you are.
Thank you.
You are welcome.
Let us start with vegetables.
The vegetables are over there.
I see tomatoes. They look fresh.
Yes, they are red and shiny.
I will take some tomatoes.
How many do you need?
I need 4 tomatoes.
Okay.
Next, onions.
The onions are next to the potatoes.
I see them.
Do you want big onions or small onions?
Small onions are fine.
Okay. I will put them in the bag.
Now carrots.
Carrots are good for your eyes.
Yes, that is what people say.
These carrots look nice.
Yes, let us buy these.
Do we need fruit now?
Yes, let us go to the fruit section.
I see apples and bananas.
I want red apples.
How many apples?
5 apples, please.
And bananas?
Yes, 3 bananas are enough.
Now, we need meat.
Yes, I want chicken.
Chicken is over there.
I see chicken breast.
Is this enough?
Yes, this is perfect.
Do we need anything else?
Let me check my shopping list.
Okay.
We also need cooking oil and salt.
Those are in the next aisle.
Here is the cooking oil.
And here is the salt.
Great. We have everything now.
Yes, we are done.
Let us go to the cashier.
Okay. Hello.
Hello.
Do you need a bag?
Yes, please.
That is $10.
Here is my card.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Shopping is finished.
Yes, that was easy.
Now let us go home and cook.
Yes, I am excited. We are home now.
Yes, that was a good trip.
Let us put the food on the table.
Okay, I will help you.
First, let us wash our hands.
Yes, that is very important.
Clean hands are important when we cook.
I agree.
Now let us take out the vegetables.
Here are the tomatoes, onions, and carrots.
Thank you.
You are welcome.
First, we wash the vegetables.
I will wash the tomatoes and carrots.
Okay. I will wash the onions.
The water is cold.
Yes, but that is fine. Now we need to cut the vegetables.
I will get the knife and the cutting board.
Thank you. Please be careful.
Yes, I will be careful.
I will cut the onions.
I will cut the carrots.
The onions make my eyes wet.
Yes, onions do that.
That is funny.
Yes, but it is normal.
Now the tomatoes.
I can cut the tomatoes, too.
Okay. Cut them into small pieces.
Sure.
Now let us prepare the chicken.
The chicken is in the bag.
We need to wash it first.
Okay.
Then we cut it into small pieces.
I will do that.
Now everything is ready.
Yes, the vegetables and chicken are ready.
Let us start cooking.
Okay. What do we do first?
First, we turn on the stove.
Okay, the stove is on.
Then we put some cooking oil in the pan.
I will pour the oil.
Not too much.
Okay, just a little.
Now we add the onions.
I hear a sound.
Yes, that sound means the pan is hot.
It smells good already.
Stir the onions slowly.
Like this?
Yes, that is good. Now we add the chicken.
Okay, the chicken is in the pan.
Cook it until it is white.
I see. The chicken is changing color.
Yes, that means it is cooking.
This is interesting.
Cooking at home is fun. The chicken looks good now.
Yes, it is white and cooked.
Now we add the vegetables.
Which vegetables first?
First, add the carrots.
Okay, carrots are in the pan.
Stir them slowly.
I am stirring them now.
Good.
The carrots look bright.
Now add the tomatoes.
Okay, tomatoes are in.
They will make the food juicy.
Yes, I can see the juice.
Now add the onions again.
Okay, onions are back in the pan.
Stir everything together.
I am doing that now.
Now we add salt.
How much salt?
Just a little.
Okay, a small amount.
We can also add a little pepper.
I like pepper.
Me too, but not too much.
Okay, just a little pepper.
Now cover the pan.
Like this?
Yes, cover it and let it cook.
How long do we cook it?
About 10 minutes.
Okay, we can wait.
Yes, let us clean the table while we wait.
I will put the plates on the table.
Thank you.
How many plates do we need?
2 plates are enough.
I will also get 2 cups.
Good idea.
Do you want water or juice?
Water is fine.
The food smells very good.
Yes, it does.
I am hungry.
Me too. Let us check the pan.
Okay.
The vegetables are soft now.
That means the food is ready.
Turn off the stove.
The stove is off.
Good. Safety is important.
Yes, always.
Now we can serve the food.
I will help you.
Thank you.
You are welcome.
Let us sit down and eat.
Yes, I cannot wait.
Let us start eating.
Yes, the food looks very good.
Please try it.
Okay. Wow, it tastes great.
I am happy to hear that.
The chicken is soft.
Yes, and the vegetables are fresh.
The tomatoes add a nice taste.
Yes, they make the food juicy.
Cooking at home is nice.
Yes, it is healthy and relaxing.
And it is not expensive.
That is true.
Thank you for cooking, Linda.
You are welcome. Thank you for helping me. Now let us talk about some useful words from today.
Yes, let us review some simple words.
First word, shopping.
Shopping means going to a store to buy things.
For example, we went shopping at the supermarket.
Yes, that is shopping.
Next word, market or supermarket.
A supermarket is a big store where you buy food and daily items.
We bought vegetables and meat at the supermarket. Next word, ingredients.
Ingredients are the foods you need to cook a meal.
Our ingredients were chicken, vegetables, and rice. Next word, to cook.
To cook means to make food with heat.
We cooked at home today. Next word, pan.
A pan is something you use to cook food on the stove.
We cooked the chicken in a pan. Next word, delicious.
Delicious means very tasty.
This meal is delicious. Now let us ask our listeners a question.
Yes, we want to hear from you.
Do you like cooking at home?
What do you like to cook?
You can write 1 or 2 simple sentences.
For example, I like cooking rice and vegetables.
Thank you so much for learning English with us today.
Keep practicing a little every day.
Learning English takes time, but you are doing great.
We are proud of you.
See you next time on Learn English Podcast.
Goodbye, everyone.